A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Hopefully, you all are well and healthy at your home. In this lockdown period, we will study. We got this opportunity to study through these online live classes. So, today I will teach you the first chapter of Social and Political Life 3, Class 8, Civics, the Indian Constitution. But before that, I request you all students to open your book, notebook, pen, pencil, copy in front of you. We will study the first chapter of the Indian Constitution. So, in this chapter, first of all, in our mind, question arises. Give some examples of games. Arjun say that some game example: cricket, football, hockey, tennis, various games. In this chapter, we are going to begin with the football game. Many of you have probably heard of or even played. As the name suggests, this is a game that involves the player's feet. According to the rules of football, if the ball touches the arm of any player except the goalkeeper, then this is considered a foul. So, if player start holding the football in their hands and passing it around, then they are not playing football anymore. Similarly, other games such as hockey, cricket also have rules according to which they are played. Each of these rules helps define the game and help us to distinguish one game from another. As these are fundamental to the game, we can also call them the constitutive rules of the game. What is the meaning of constitutive rules? The constitutive rules related to constitution. Constitutive means related to the constitution. Freedom of speech and expression is an example of constitutive rules. In the same way, as these are fundamental to the game, we can also call them the constitutive rules of the game. Like these games, a society has also constitutive rules. Constitutive constitutive rules that makes it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of society. In large societies in which different communities of people live together, these rules are formulated through consensus. Consensus means agreement all persons. And in modern countries, this consensus is usually available in written form. Can anybody say that? What is the meaning of constitution? Yes. A written document in which we find such rule is called constitution. We have looked at the Indian Constitution in class 6 and class 7 in our social and political life textbook. Have you ever wondered why we need a constitution, or been curious about how the constitution got written or who wrote it? First up, question arises: why we need a constitution? Today, most countries in the world have a constitution. While all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, it is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. The constitution serves several purposes. First, it lays out certain ideals that form the basis of or the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in, or put another way, the constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. A country is usually made of different communities of people and who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all issues. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules, principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. These include not only the types of government but also an agreement on certain ideals. What is the meaning of ideals? Listen carefully. Ideal, a goal or principle in its most excellent or perfect form. What is the meaning of ideal? A goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form is called ideal, that they all believe the country should uphold. Why we need a constitution? Listen carefully, various points write down in your copy. A society is bound to certain set of rules which makes it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. These rules in large societies in which different communities of people live together are formulated through consensus. This in modern countries, this consensus is usually available in written form. A written document in which we find such rules is known as constitution. Constitution. In a single sentence, a written document in which we find such rules is known as constitution. What do you know about constitutive rules? Constitutive rules related to constitution. Give some example. Freedom of speech and expression is an example of constitutive rules. Constitutive. Constitutive rules. RULES. Constitutive rules. The constitutions lay certain ideals that form the basis of kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. Principles and ideals of a monarchy are quite different from those of a democracy. Therefore, soon after the transition in the governing system in Nepal, the government started the process of making a new constitution of Nepal because the earlier one did not suit their new setup. The country of Nepal needs to change all its constitution rules in order to assert means exist in a democratic society for which people had struggled for a long period. Next question, very important, write down in your copy. What is important purpose of a constitution? Constitution determines the nature of a country's political system, whether it will have democratic system or monarchy system. Constitution determines the nature of a country's political system, whether it will have democratic system or monarchy system. Number 3, the constitution also prescribes rules that guard against this misuse of power by our political leader. In India, such provisions have been made in the section of fundamental rights. The constitution ensures that a dominant group does not use its power against other or less powerful people or groups. The constitution also contains rules that minorities are not excluded from anything that is normally available to the minority. Thus, the constitution prevents this tyranny. What is the meaning of tyranny? The cruel or unjust use of power or authority. Tyrannny. The cruel, cruel, cruel and unjust use of power or authority. It is called tyranny. Or domination by the majority of a minority. Number 6. The constitution play an important role in democratic forms of government as it lay out the guidelines that govern decision making in these societies. Point to be noted down. What is the similarity between rules in a game and rules of a country? Very basic differences. Rules in different games help define the game as these are essential or fundamental. We call them constitutive rules. Similar, society also has constitutive rules and those rules differentiate different kinds of societies. Define constitution. Constitution is a written document that contains the basic rules and regulation for administering a nation.